Hi ASGO. Okay, so here's my quick video on what to do this week. So first off, your buttons should be working now. I changed it up. You can't click on the picture, but the link below it, the link below it, the words. So we're in Unit 1 folder. So that should take you to Unit 1. So week 2 is over today, Wednesday, and I'm opening week 3. If I click on that, this video will be either first or second on what to do this week. What I'm going to recommend that you guys do is this what to do week 3, the written explanation of what you need to do. I would start just printing that off so that when you go to math to work, you can look at that and you can say, okay, I have notes to do first, click, I've done that, and just mark it off once you've done it. So that would be an easy way to stay organized if you're struggling with organization. So what I have here are the video notes, 1.4 video notes. And then, so you need to take those notes on your paper. There's also in the 1.4 video notes, I redid the last question in 1.3 because a student brought it to my attention that I did it incorrectly. So I fixed that in these notes. So make sure to look at that. Then there is 1.4 homework assignment. After 1.4 homework assignment, you have the review. This review is actually due on Sunday. So you may want to do this first thing and then go back and do 1.4 and 1.4 homework. Because on Monday or Tuesday, depending on what hour you are, so first hour Monday, second hour Tuesday, you guys will have a quiz that will go over 1.1 to 1.3. It does not include 1.4. So if you could do that review first, that may be the best thing. Do Sunday evening, and I will actually probably move this quiz up higher. I'm going to do that right now as you guys are on the video with me, so that you guys maybe do that first. This quiz, so how that'll work is we're not going to do small groups on Monday and Tuesday. You're going to have a whole group instruction during your entire class period on Monday and Tuesday. I will send out a Google link on Sunday evening on what to use to get into that Google Meet. So the first 15 minutes of the Google Meet will be question and answers from the whole class. And then after that, you guys are going to start on your quiz. I would prefer for your camera to be on since it is a quiz, okay? And you will have 45 minutes to complete the quiz. That'll be ample time to actually finish it, but you just can't walk away or do other things while you're taking that quiz. Academic honesty always. And then that's all it is for this week. So review, a quiz, 1.4 and 1.4 homework assignment. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, guys.